Hey everyone, welcome to another video. Before it begins, I want to mention that only a small portion of my viewers that watch my videos are actually subscribed, so if you enjoyed this video and want to see similar content, consider subscribing. It's free and you can always change your mind.
In bad shape, and if you're driving light, you're not going to want to drive on it. Whoa! God bless!
Here's $20, I'll pick you up at 10. And that's the most that we would spend. Now, inflation's probably...
Idiot!
Now it's 30.
Now it's 30.
Yeah, you know, that was dinner, like you said, a trip to Sam Goody, and I don't know if that's how it is anymore.
Let me,
yeah,
something just came to, I just...
Let me miss.
Oh, God!
Oh, gosh. Oh my God.
Teka. Ano muna tayo?
Doesn't have a stamp on it, so...
Woo! Dude. Is everybody okay? Are you okay? Is everybody okay? You okay, bud?
Yeah. Oh, it's upside down.
Hello?
Your passenger. Hi, where are you? I'm across from Homewood.
One second.
Hello? Hello? I am across from Homewood. Homewood? Hello? 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 Hello?
Legal to do this, but where they were at, it is not legal, so they're going to get into some serious trouble. Sweeping a joyous weekend. No, it's better. Why don't we just trick it with some food? Let it come out here in plain sight when, like, no, I'm your friend. Why don't we fake call that I'm one of you, right? That's definitely a little bit better.
What a horrible dad. Come here, son. Let's...
It's so hot. Here, you got trash over there. Put all your trash here. What's that? Oh my God!
What happened?
They crossed the line.
Who?
What happened? What the f is wrong with you?
What the f*** is your plate, you fool? Fool! JLB 1994. HGU 3879. What's your problem?
30 miles.
You're on camera. You're on camera. That's assault.
I don't care. It's
I'm
30 miles an hour.
I have your
You're
plate.
tailgating.
I have your plate.
You're
You're going. Cops are coming to your house.
Yeah.